Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy the style from one picture and how you can apply it to your own picture with a tool called Google Whisk. So this AI tool is right now available for free, and what's unique about Whisk is that it is not like any other AI tools where they are mostly relying on prompt. In Whisk, prompting is optional. Instead, the way you interact with AI or the way you instruct AI to do something is by providing a picture or a set of pictures. So for example, you can provide your own selfie and then you can provide a screenshot of an anime or 3D anime character, and you can tell AI or you can make Whisk to transfer the style of the 3D character into your own photo. So that's basically the way it works. And let me show you one example that I just created. So this is the original picture, and this is the style that I'm trying to copy, and this is the result. As you can see, it is following the 8-bit style, but it is somewhat able to maintain the some degree of character consistency. Although it's not very good at it, but it's still somewhat similar. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to copy the style from another picture and apply that to your own picture using this AI tool. Alright, first you have to navigate to labs.google/fx/tool/whisk, and don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. Now let's enter the tool. Alright, just wait for it. Now the UI here is a bit complicated, and again this feature or this tool is still experimental, so they're not really care too much about the UI, but it's actually not very difficult. So here you have to click this icon to open this side menu, and this subject is basically the photo that you want to get the new version of. I'm going to click upload image, or you can also click this button to enter your own prompt. But I want to use my own photo, so I'm going to upload a photo from my computer. Let's click this button, and I'm going to be using this picture. And for the scene, this is completely optional. If you want to make the subject to be in a different location, then you can add a photo, but I'll skip this part. I'll just add a style for that photo. I'm going to click this upload button, and I will select this picture, which is a snapshot from the movie Toy Story 3, and let's click open. So just wait for it to analyze the picture. And by the way, you can also click this dice button to get some inspiration from Google. It will provide some examples that you could try for your own photo. Okay, so that's basically the only settings that you need to add to start transferring the style from this photo to this photo. Now here there is this option to add a custom instruction to AI. For example, here this person, let's say I can make her to wear a robe. So I'm going to add that, make her wear a robe. But this is optional. Again, Whisk is not in Whisk, prompting is not mandatory. Okay, here there is this option to change the aspect ratio, but I'll stick with 16:9 or landscape. And you can click this to change the seat number if you want to. You can also select the model, but I do recommend to use the best quality. And when you're done with all the settings, all the prompt, you can click this button and just wait for it to combine this picture and this picture together. So it's usually going to be very fast, like maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so this is the result. Now if you're not quite happy with the result, you can do it again. So I'm going to remove this prompt. I'm going to just use the vanilla setting. Let me click this button again. Yeah, okay, so this is okay, but honestly I don't like the angle. She's looking, I mean it's all right, but okay, I prefer something that look like this, like facing directly to the camera. And as you can see, these pictures are using the style, the 3D style from this movie. So that's basically how you can do it. And later you can download the picture by clicking on this button, and you can save it to your device. So that's basically how you can transfer the style from one picture to another using Whisk. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.